I am Chef Neil, and you're now on my kitchen, and I will make some tour. Before you enter, we must have our sanitizer here, and then our shoe rack for changing our shoes. And then let's come and see my different liquors here. We have Vaporetto. The Vaporetto is made from herbs and apricot pits, flavor almond. Another one is Angostura bitters, base of rum with roots, herbs, and seeds, flavored with Genesian roots. And another one is the apricot brandy, base of brandy with fresh apricots. And also the Baileys Irish cream, made from the Irish whiskey, fresh cream, chocolates, and coffee. Another one is the Canadian whiskey. This whiskey is distilled from corn, rye, and barley mash, is slightly pale and very smooth, aged 6 to 8 years in oaks. The Cointreau is a French liqueur made from sweet and bitter orange peels. Another one is the Frangelico, an Italian liqueur made from a blend of spices and wild hazelnuts. Another one is the Sense of My Nights. This one is for the grilling, and another one is for the chopping, and also the fillet knife for filleting the fishes and chickens. Another one is for mincing and dicing. Okay, let's go to the next corner. This is my so-called preparation table, where we put all the ingredients that we must prepare here in the kitchen. Then let's go to the set of pans for baking. This pan is a rectangular pan using for brownies or cassava cakes, or other cakes. And then the square pan is for the bread. And also in the next corner is the oven. I bought it from SM, and its brand is the Germania. And then we will go to our walk-in freezer. As you can see, in the walk-in freezer, we have our cheese, our vegetables, and some meats that we're going to be cooked later. And this is the end of my tour, and thank you for visiting.